Welcome to House Hunt Daily, your go-to channel for discovering affordable homes for sale across the United States. Today, we're exploring 7 budget-friendly properties in Mississippi, perfect for investors and buyers looking for value. Number 1. Jackson, Mississippi, $54,500. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in Jackson offers 1,396 square feet and is a true turnkey investment opportunity. With a functional layout and solid condition, this property is fully rent-ready, just waiting for the right tenant. Inside, you'll find a practical design that supports comfortable living, along with central heating and cooling for year-round convenience. The home also includes essential appliances, making it even easier to start generating income immediately. For investors seeking low-hassle homes for sale, this property stands out as a ready-to-perform addition to any portfolio. Number 2. Holly Springs, Mississippi, $50,000. Sitting on 2.4 acres in a quiet rural setting, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home offers incredible potential for the right buyer. With 1,271 square feet, it's a full rehab opportunity that allows you to customize and add significant value. The spacious lot provides plenty of room for expansion, outdoor living, or future projects. With a strong after-repair value potential, this property is ideal for investors looking to flip, rent, or create a custom home. Among affordable homes for sale, this one offers one of the biggest upside opportunities. Number 3. Amory, Mississippi, $60,000. This charming ranch-style home in Amory features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and 1,400 square feet of comfortable living space. The property includes a welcoming front porch, perfect for relaxing and enjoying the surroundings. Inside, you'll find an eat-in kitchen, a dedicated dining area, and a bonus room with cedar walls that adds warmth and character. The home also offers large closets and a spacious laundry area for added convenience. Outside, the fenced backyard, multiple carports, storage buildings, and even a storm shelter provide exceptional functionality. For buyers seeking versatile homes for sale, this property offers both space and value. Number 4. Gulfport, Mississippi, $100,000. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in Gulfport offers 1,600 square feet and a unique layout full of possibilities. Originally a smaller home, it now includes a large addition with extra living space, an additional bedroom, and a second bathroom. The interior features hardwood floors and wood-accented walls that create a warm and inviting atmosphere. While the home does need some repairs, it presents a great opportunity to customize and transform it into your ideal space. For buyers exploring homes for sale with renovation potential, this property is full of opportunity. Number 5. Jackson, Mississippi, $70,000. Built in 2010, this 3-bedroom home offers a more modern construction compared to many surrounding properties. With 1,295 square feet, it provides a functional layout designed for comfortable living. Located just minutes from downtown Jackson and Jackson State University, this home is perfectly positioned for rental opportunities, including student housing or workforce tenants. With newer systems and a strong location, this is one of the most strategic homes for sale for long-term investment potential. Number 6. Cleveland, Mississippi, $99,500. This unique property in Cleveland offers a flexible living and investment opportunity. Featuring a main home plus an attached apartment, It allows you to live in one unit while renting the other, or lease both for steady income. The apartment includes its own private entrance, kitchenette, and living space, making it highly attractive to tenants. Located near Delta State University in a quiet neighborhood, the property benefits from consistent rental demand. Among income-generating homes for sale, this one stands out for its versatility and potential. Number 7. Gloucester, Mississippi, $99,500. This spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in Gloucester offers 2,238 square feet and a rich sense of history, having been in the same family for over 50 years. Inside, you'll find a comfortable layout with a formal dining room, cozy den, and additional living spaces that provide flexibility for modern living. Recent updates like a new roof add value, while the enclosed garage space offers room for a home office or workshop. Outside, you will find a quiet deck and a small storage building. For buyers seeking character-filled homes for sale, this property delivers warmth and long-term potential. Thanks for watching House Hunt Daily. If you enjoyed exploring these affordable homes for sale, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more incredible deals across the U.S.